Aliu àti Ọláìyá ẹ̀ńlá sọ̀rọ̀ so alẹ́ ẹ̀ńlá sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn adarúkọ rin so yẹn wá sọ pé yẹn adarúkọ rin kókó onírè pé kan gbà yín.
ẹjọ ìgbà mi o oko mi lélẹ́yìí o wọ́n ti bà gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ pátápátá kò sí kankan tó kù bẹ́ẹ̀ pátápátá àti ọ̀pẹ àti kòkó àti obì àti ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n ti bà gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ o àwọn China ni wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ pé láti palace ni wọ́n ti wá palace Ifẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti wá pé kábíyèsí pé ó ti gba òbítíbitì owó pé wọ́n ti fún ní wọ́n ò dẹ̀ inform anybody wọ́n ti bà tiwa jẹ́ o iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ tá gbójúlé
òdìkejì náà tún wà
náà òun náà ti bàjẹ́ òdìkejì náà níbi tí a dúró sí báyìí ibi tá a dúró sí wọ́n máa wú gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ báyìí lọ́kọ̀ òdìkejì wọ́n á tú gbogbo òkè yìí wọ́n á tú gbogbo ẹ̀ báyìí wọ́n á wú gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ so kò sí kankan tó kù fún amọ́ wa àdèlè jalè iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ là ń ṣe ẹ gbà wá o fún ọmọ Nàìjíríà ẹ ṣàánú wa o
kí lorúkọ yín
excavator tí wọ́n gbé wá nìyẹn excavator tó gbé wá nìyẹn tó fi ń wúlẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ gbé góòlù náà Ìbàdàn mo ti wá Ọláìyá lórúkọ mi ọmọ mo dúpẹ́ ọlọ́wẹ̀
tẹ̀tẹ̀ ilẹ̀ níbí
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwa ló ní bíbá yìí títí lọ dé ìkángun bẹ́ẹ̀ títí lọ báyìí títí lọ kan omi stream is a very small stream òun ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ òun ni wọ́n pè ní òun làwọn sọ wípé odò yìí ni erin ńlá òun ni àwọn sọ wípé it is a very big river and it's not a river òun ni omi pẹ́ṣẹ́pẹ́ṣẹ́ ni omi pẹ́ṣẹ́pẹ́ṣẹ́ ni nígbà tí wọ́n bá gbé excavator wọn débẹ̀ tí wọ́n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí expand ẹ̀ yóò wá di odò ńlá wọ́n wá sọ pé odò ńlá ni òun ni very small stream omi ni gbogbo àbáwádẹ́ mu òní ní tí wọ́n ti bà omi wọ́n ti bàjẹ́ fún wa kò sí bọ́ọ̀lù kò sí kankan omi la máa ń fi wẹ̀ òun náà la máa ń mu wọ́n ti bàjẹ́ ṣe ti rí gbogbo ẹ̀ báyẹn o ẹ ti rí báyẹn o àgbójúlé kankan mọ́ kò sí kankan tá a tún ní mọ́ sì ló jáde iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ la ń ṣe láyàn láàyò ẹ̀ náà la sọ pé ká padà sóko ká máa ṣe àgbẹ̀ á tún iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ń tán àwọn kan tún wá kó ra wọn wá láti China wọ́n tún wá ń wú gbogbo ẹ̀ dànù just like that ẹ dákun ẹ gbà wá ọmọ Nàìjíríà o àwọn bàbá ẹ wò wọ́n bá ti sọ wọ́n di aláìníṣẹ́ gbogbo kòkó wọn lápapẹ̀ wọ́n ti wú gbogbo ẹ̀ dànù àwọn àgbàlagbà ni ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ti wú gbogbo ẹ̀ dànù.
ọmọ ti wú gbogbo kòkó wa tán o pátápátá o.
iléeṣẹ́ wo ni orúkọ iléeṣẹ́ wọn.
àwọn China ni o.
ẹ dákun ẹ gbà wá o ẹ dákun ẹ gbà wá o tàbí tó wà lélẹ́yìí o wọ́n ti mú ẹ lọ́nìí yẹn ibi tá a ti stop wọn lélẹ́yìí about 3 kilometers.
The Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi Ojaja II, has been accused of selling acres of land that belongs to some Nigerian farmers in Osun State to a group of Chinese nationals for a huge sum of money. According to the farmers who disclosed their displeasure during an interview, some Chinese men handed a huge amount of money to the traditional ruler and got express permission to take over the large farm lands without compensation to the owners. One of the farmers that was interviewed in the presence of the Chinese men on the expense of the land which was being evacuated identified himself as Ọláìyá from Erin Nla, spoke in Yoruba language while reacting to the incident. He said, "Please help me. This is my farm. The Chinese have destroyed everything planted on it. Cocoa plantation, banana plantation, every other assorted plantation that was planted on the farm. Nothing is left for us again." These Chinese men claim they came with orders of permission from the palace of Ooni of Ife after they have paid a huge sum of money. They did not inform anybody. They have destroyed our lives. This is the farming job we depend on. While Ọláìyá was showing areas where the Chinese men have destroyed so far and the areas they plan to take over. He said they brought excavator to remove everything from our land. We cannot go and start stealing. This is the only occupation we have. They earlier advised us to go back to farming and now they have started selling our lands to foreigners. So guys, from the video you watched, that is just the explanation of what the man was speaking about there. Everything he said, that's what we have already talked about. One thing is that this is an accusation, an allegation. And of course, one is going to be asking, how can somebody, foreigner, to just come to a country and they will have that audacity to just go into that land and begin to do all that they are doing if they don't have a permission from a higher authority. But until we are still going to be hearing from because any moment from now, or maybe the Oni of Ifa must have debunked it, that maybe these farmers are not even aware, or maybe it's not, that was not what happened. Of course, it's going to have his own side of the story, because just like the way people have said, because they just told them that they have paid for it and they came from the palace according to what they said. So I think it is the responsibility of those people to go back to the Oba to go and ask what actually happened. But as it is now, the land has been taken from them, whether it was being sold or whatever, or whether the land belongs to the KBAC or whosoever, or the government. They need to go and get all of those facts from the palace. That is just the way I think it should be, because he's the custodian of the whatever in that area. So they need to go and meet him before they will know the next steps they are going to take. Because definitely the palace, from the angle of the palace or the angle of the KBC or the king, is going to, or the monarch is going to debunk it. It's going to be a different story from what these people are telling us. But what we can see is that, of course, Chinese people are really working there. So guys, let's hear what people are saying. That is just my own humble opinion. Someone says, but if Oni has denied this authenticity of this report, let him come out and fight for the rights of his people now. We Yoruba must be very careful. Go to Ogun State. There is a large land sales to Chinese. If we don't stop selling land, Chinese in Yoruba land, one day Chinese will come and take over our land. That audacity, all of these things do not really happen. They don't just happen in isolation. Somebody will be giving them that opportunity, whether they sold the land or the land belongs to the people. It's a different ballgame entirely. But what actually happened is that we have a lot of our millionaires, billionaires in this country. They will not build things, because at the end of the day, you see that these Chinese people will be building whatever they want to build. Of course, they didn't just go there to start building or erecting anything or creating building companies in this country. They have a authority of or they have a permission of the authority. They will not just go there, and that is why we are really selling ourselves. But in our own case, instead of us to develop our place, our people will steal the money to go, and they will not even build hospitals. They will not build anything in all those countries that they take their money to start it there. Just like we are still trying to get some of the money this man Abacha stole, and we are still getting it. The one that they just got from the US, another one is going to be coming from the UK again that they said Abacha stole. So that is what they will do. Instead of them, you can imagine if that kind of money, if Abacha had used that money to develop Nigeria, even as at when he was there. But what was he doing? He was doing something different. But see the money now. But for us to get the money back, they will just go and keep the money there. Those countries will be using the money to build their economy. But for us to get the money back again, they will tell you this is what you need to do. And that is why this man is coming out to say they have no rights. They have no rights. Falana, that US has no rights to tell us what to do with our money. But that is just the way it is, irrespective of how we want to see it, whether they know that maybe our leaders are not to be trusted, but they have insulted us. Our leaders have really insulted us in the first place. So that is what is happening. Because even if you are going to be hearing, that's my opinion, if you are going to be hearing from the palace, or if at all it was really sold from the monarch, they will tell you, oh, it's for us to develop our country. It's for us to develop the environment. Don't you know that by the time they develop the environment, then there will be job creation. Our people will be blessed with job and everything. There will be development. That is how they are going to tell. That is what they are going to tell these people. But I don't know what you guys think about this whole thing, because I don't know how we still behave in this manner at this age and time in this 21st century. I don't know. Honestly, I don't really know. Someone said this is a bad precedent. Chinese are like Fulanis, always hungry for the land of others because of their overpopulation. They have the backing of their governments. All they need is just a foothold, and they employ all kinds of strategy to grab and grab. Once they have a tiny community, they expand rapidly. They offer you money. You can't refuse, and if you reject it, they murder you. Chinese crime gang. They try is more vicious. The triad is more vicious and ruthless than the mafia. They can kill a country's leader to get their wish. Chinese, this way, they dominate many Asian countries. Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Sri Lanka, etc. are all victims when they come. Well, they are all victims. When they come, the Fulani evil agenda will be child's play. Okay. Would the villagers have dared to make such a grievous allegation against the Oni without substance? It is not enough to say he denied it. The matter should be investigated. Some traditional rulers are greedy and a sellout. When our traditional leaders and government finally direct or indirectly sell our land for the China, they should not complain or seek help of common Nigeria when they are captured or enslaved in their own land and country. They should remember their action now before it is too late. Wrong is wrong and right is right, irrespective of who is involved. Someone say we talk too much in Nigeria without no action. Where are the youth of that community? Face the China people. Stop them from doing anything until you get justice. Igbo people said, okay, this person is speaking Igbo language there. Someone said the story cannot be correct. The Yorubas, especially of Ife descendants, have a way of addressing such issues. If somebody is pushing house to insult the Oni, you better watch it. Please, let's investigate this matter. Someone say, God bless you for your comments. Good points. Oni is not a poor man and would be selling the community land to enrich himself. The matter should be properly investigated. The Kabiyesi is too clean and enlightened to be involved or to involve himself in such. Like I said, they will just need to go back to the palace to go and find out, to go and do their investigation. Of course, they will have a way of telling them what's the whole thing, how it came out in the first place, how those Chinese people got there. They will be able to, or he will be able to explain to them. So guys, let us hear your opinion. Leave your comments below in the comment section and let's have your take.